Hello students, welcome back to the class on types of sales promotion. Now in the exposition part, I shall explain the different types of sales promotion. First is sample. A sample is a sales promotion in which a small amount of a product that is for sale is given to consumers to try. Samples encourage trial and an increased awareness of the product. Point number 2, coupons. Coupons provide an immediate price reduction of an item. The amount of the coupon is later reimbursed to the retailer by the manufacturer. The retailer also gets a handling fee for accepting coupons. When the economy is weak, more consumers collect coupons and look for special bargains such as double coupons and buy one get one free coupons. Point number 3, point of purchase display. Point of purchase display encourages consumers to buy a product immediately. These displays draw attention to a product by giving it a special placement and signage. Coupon machines placed in stores are a type of point of purchase display. When a consumer sees a special display or get a coupon instantly, manufacturers hope the easy availability or the discount will convince them to buy, increasing overall sales in the process. Next point is premium. Premium is a product or offer a consumer receives when they buy another product. Premiums may be offered free or for a small shipping and handling charge with a proof of purchase. Contests. Contests are games of skill offered by the company that offer consumers the chance to win a prize. Next point is sweepstakes. Sweepstakes are games of chance people enter for an opportunity to win money or prize. Sweepstakes are often structured as some variation or random drawing. The companies and organizations that conduct these activities hope consumers will not only enter their games but also buy more of their product and ideally share their information for future marketing purpose. Next point is loyalty programs. Loyalty programs are sales promotion designed to get repeat business. Loyalty programs include things such as frequent flyer programs, hotel programs, and shopping cards for grocery items, drugstores, and restaurants. Some points systems are used in conjunction with loyalty programs. Next point is rebates. Rebates are popular with consumers and the manufacturer that provide them. When you get a rebate, you are refunded part or all of the purchase price of a product after completing a form and sending it to the manufacturer with your proof of purchase. Next point is trade shows. Trade shows is an event in which a firm in a particular industry display and demonstrates their offerings to the organization and people they hope will buy them. Trade shows may be organized to focus on a particular product category, industry, geography, buyer roles, and other criteria. Typically, an organization has different options for trade shows participation. Sales contests. The sales contests, which are often held by manufacturers and B2B companies, provide incentives for salespeople to increase their sales. Often the contests focus on selling high profit or slow moving products. These sales representatives with the most sales of the product wins a prize such as free vacation, company recognition, money, and other things. Trade shows, trade alliances. Next point. Trade alliances give channel partner, for example, are manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers, distributors, etc. different incentives to push a product to its customers. One type of trade alliances is an advertising allowance to advertise a seller's products in local newspapers. An advertising allowance benefits both the manufacturer and the retailer. Typically, the retailer can get a lower rate than manufacturers on advertising in local outlets, which saves the manufacturers money. The retailer benefits by getting an allowance from the manufacturer. Thank you.